Do the two emojis counter each other? Alright, we got 3x15, Storm. We want it, we try to get it. 15. 15. Land on it. Yes, sir! There we go. Now we're talking. Lightning storm. Come on with me, guys. Hey, let's go with money. On top, where we belong. Let's go. Look at that. Smallest you can get is a 30. Best you can get, well, let's find out. 3 strikes, first, second, third. Make your decision. Let's make it happen. And in the meantime, let's listen to this amazing song. All right, strike number 1. And we get another 3x. Hold up, we are cooking. Hey, we are cooking. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, bang, bang. That's, what is that? 405. First strike number 1. Woo. Okay, second strike. Come on, baby. That's a 75 for the second. Bit of a difference. Let's see what can we do with the third strike. Come on, give us that top victory. 150 for the strike number 3. Strike number 1, MVP, amazing. Well done, guys.
Probably there could be someone who makes a cake from broccoli. What was the most unusual cakes you've ever tried in your life, guys? For me, one of the very surprising things was when I was in the UK, and I've never heard of the mince pies before. Not in the sense of meat pies, no, we do have meat pies in Latvia, but I've never seen a sweet, a dessert that includes the meat in it. That was shocking for me that you bite it and it's a sweet pastry, and it's literally a dessert you have with your tea. And then at the same time, it's a mince pie. So I would say that was one of the most unusual ones I tried. Hello, Santosh. How are you doing? So, greetings. Okay, guys, let's take a look at our lightning storm cake here. Which slice we getting? 3 extra hotspots looking pretty delish. Slice of a cake.
It's the Monster Mash.
Okay, guys, so let's meet the new guy.
The Monster Mash.
It's like we meet with the family. Remember that movie? Woo! Legs, 5 legs, looking good. And 50X torso, very nice, big heart. I love the man with a big heart. 1X in the head there. It's fine. We compensate with the other muscles. And the total count is 255 eggs. Hot. My congratulations on the big
Close to that too. With Monster Mash. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, nice. Number 6, guys. Monster Mash with 2X. Let's go.
It's the Monster Mash.
Yes. Doubling things up. Let's hope it's the goal. Adding the 2X multiplier, guys.
It was a graveyard smash. It got on
Okay, look. Okay, let's see. We got, golden legs with 4X. 100 for the body. Head, what you got for us? 4, guys. Look at that. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Drum rolls, please. We got 460. 30 knots, 60
121. That's gonna be better. But look at that, guys. It's gonna be 336, 126. It's 462. Woo! That was good. That was nice, guys. Enjoy your wins. 462.
Both of the games are awesome, right? I've got a good feeling about this. Boom, 50X, number 3, Monster Mash. This is the most you can get on the top slot. Just cross your fingers. Let's hope to stick it. Just ruin our lives. No, Hinako. You're trying to justify the fact that you don't know when to stop. Just get in there, baby. 50X. Number 3, Monster Mash. Yeah! Oh, get ready for that Eye of the Tiger, baby. Oh my. Wheel multiplier 50X, the most you can get on a top slot, applying it onto every body part, baby. And now the moment of truth. Pull this thing. Oh, pull the lever, baby. Woo! 150 on the legs, 50 on the torso, and 250 on that head. Now, this guy has done a lot of reading, that's for sure. 450X, that's your monster.
Without it, FAG and NA and 19 top winners, congratulations. So, dear players, are you excited about Intel Extreme Masters Cologne tournament that starts tomorrow? Oh yes, Face Clan against Big Clan. JD Banana. Oh, I wish I would have some banana. Maybe for my lunch I'm gonna have some nice banana. They give us so much energy. Oh, speaking about energy, got 10X and 5 of 10X on Monster Mash. Enrico, I'm excited about getting Max win. Well, hopefully that will be like. But don't forget about a Storm Chaser and X Chaser. That could be helpful, quite helpful. And 10X with Monster Mash. Woo, 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 baby. It'll be super duper fun. Let's make some money. Are you ready? Let's up that everything by 10X. I am the tiger. I am the tiger. Woo, woo, woo. This will be fun. Let's go. No time to waste. Let's make some money. Okay, we got 30. Let's 5. Let's go. Let's go. We got 4. We got 150. Multiplied by 4 is big number. It is 600. Look at that.
About this talking straight to the face, that's a great thing. Do you have this kind of people over there, or like in the chat, or in company? A time and place for it, that's true. A lot of people don't like me for that. Well, I mean, that's the thing. Like, do you play games like this in your real life? In your real free time? Oh, come on. Stop. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'll answer on all this question. I'm just waiting for it, not moving anywhere. That's the number 16. We got a Monster Mash with the 15X multiplier. Let's go!
Monster Mash.
Hey, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. 15X and a Monster Mash. Come on, show me some golden parts, please. Come on, one time. We need some golden parts. Good luck to everyone. Oh, 90, 75. Okay, show me the face. 750 in total. We got 915X on a Monster Mash. Look at his happy face. That's the happy face. 490 for 920 players. Congratulations. Nicely done, ladies. Hey, what a marvelous thing. What a good hit, guys. What a marvelous hit. Hey. That's what I'm talking about, you know? Just a little bit positive vibe, always bringing the mood up, right? Congratulations, guys. That's a well-deserved monster.
And that's a 15X for this fireball. My compliments to the winners of the round. Now it's number 11 of the players winning. You're welcome to adjust your bets and now to play for the next spin now. Hey guys, no, it was not the highest fireball, but yet again, we haven't seen fireball in a long time. And you know, it's already 2 bonus rounds in the last few spins and only 2 leaves in between, which looks like a little warm up, isn't it? Looks like a little slight improvement there. I'm not sure about the question there, Hugh. Could you specify? Hey, there's a 4X and Monster Mash, guys. And looks like we going to the dark side.
It's the Monster Man.
Mash the cash. For the dollar vitamin. 4X is getting applied to improve the potential of this bonus round now. And after that, we're gonna see what kind of muscles gonna be shaking in front of us. Good luck. Oh, X5, golden legs. Last time when we had 200X, it started the same way. 12X on the torso and 6 and golden headshot. We got 2 golden parts of this incredibly generous mod. And the end result, super duper mega multiplied, is 360X. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, huge compliments. Finally, some goodies going. 1,200 wins. Someone got over 10K, being the highest money win. Don and Luigi got a second and a third place. Yeah. Okay, you see, you giving up on me. How dare you? Woo. You're welcome, me and everybody else. Betting time is over now, and let's see if we can start. Well,
Iron Man 2 Avengers Endgame. First phase, first saga basically. Monster Mash segment 3, ladies and gentlemen. You promised to look at Storm Chaser, Sex Chaser, submit for the ground, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna pay attention to the Monster Mash right on hand. And everybody.
Monster Man. It was a graveyard smash. It caught all mankind.
How do legs like this carry a torso like that? Oh, so 56X multiplied in total, ladies and gentlemen. This beginning of the new phase, right? F4 film making apparently some decent money box office already, as it is. It premiered the day before yesterday. Yeah, some sort of nice reviews from critics, 83%, 84% on tomatoes. Pretty alright. Begin all, ladies and gentlemen, segment 16, 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 500X. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody! 500X, max multiplier. It rolled all the way here! 500X! Bam! Let's go!
So is there anyone who's planning to watch tomorrow or maybe this weekend? Anyway, 5x10, is there anyone who's planning to watch Fantastic Four? the Fireball. Yeah. No, Fantastic Four gonna be released this weekend. Yeah. Please stop. Don't move. I'm watching you guys. I'm watching. That's a number 17. Say me, oh yes. And that's a number 17, the Fireball. Let's go, guys. Come on. Wow. Woo! That's a maximum multiplier 10,000x. What is that? Good luck, guys. 10,000x is on the board. Come on. What we got there? Something red. I mean, there's only red, right? We don't even have the time to listen to all the music. Okay, we apologize for this inconvenience. We will continue the game as soon as possible. Now we can listen to the music. I actually cannot see what is the result. Yeah, I cannot say. So I'll just wait for the permission to remove. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be silent right now because I'm just listening to the music. I'm tired. Hey guys, we apologize for this little inconvenience. We'll continue the game as soon as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah. To be fair, I cannot see from here. Like the red multipliers are kind of. Hello. 375. Okay. It's the 375. So guys, we get 375 as our multiplier. Congratulations, to all the winners. And 114 winners, congratulations. Welcome to the lightning episode out of Blaze and After Statistics to remember about Storm Chaser and about Multiply Chaser. Hey, well, wait, we got
money for Monster Mash, 7X on segment 14 for Fireball. Maximum multiplier is 1,400x. Come on, we need corners. Why are you running so far away from me? Is that this? Oh, wow. 875x! 875x! Guys, look at that! Yes! Wow, another 801 session. We have 891 winners in all. Congratulations! Let's go! Nice! We got 800 in this session of Fireball, and now 875x. Now, let's go. Do we need a back-to-back? I think we need a back-to-back, better one. Also, welcome to newcomers. Also, we have 2X in segment 15 for Fireball. Come on, please. Woo! Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, that's a back-to-back. It's a Fireball with 2X. I manifested this. Okay, let's go back. So guys, the maximum multiplier is now 1000x. Come on, please be good, please be good. Where are you going? Is that what I'm thinking? Ladies and gentlemen, exactly. That's a 2x. Let's go. Maximum multipliers, 2000x. Let's go. Come on, please be good. Oh, that's guys, 800x. 800x. Woo! Yeah, yes. Nice. Let's go. 800x. Woo! The best back-to-back, no? We have 851 winners. Let's go back. Betting time, we should best like in the next round. I mean, I haven't seen that good back-to-back for a while, I think.
That we did before. Still, we need to polish them. We need to polish them. Number 13 odd number, and that's going to be a battery charger. Let's get it. Battery charger. Alright, welcome aboard. Max multiplier 75x. Good luck. Starting off with a 20, that's going to be the red line. Next to the line is a 2. Another red line. 30x is coming right up. And that's the green line for it. So yeah, we're actually snatching the 30x multiplier here at battery charger. To be fair, not too bad for battery. Maximum was, 75. Okay, halfway there. 831 winners of this round. Enjoy the victories. New betting time is open for you. If you have any questions, confusions, use the chat, let me know. And welcome newcomers to Lightning Storm. How are you doing? Why always 13? You feel like we're catching it a lot? Well, feel free to go with the number. I can do what? Fix it? How? Well, I'd see you. Alright, multis have been added, a lot of them actually. 3x 8, 13, 5x 18, and 7x the number 1. What does that mean? I don't even know what that means. Well, like, in what context are you talking about? I'm a bit confused. Come on, 5x 18. Come on, stay on it. Oh yeah, 5x and Fireball number 18 for the win. Let's get it. Fireball. All right, welcome my friends. We're going to add a 5x on top. Highest multiplier 2,500. Let's get it. Good luck to you. Okay, we got the red one, but which one did we get? Which of the red ones did we get? Fireball? Yes. Oh my days! 625x multiplier for Fireball, guys. Look at us go! 625x. Beautifully done. Enjoy the victories. Let's get back to the wheel. Alright, 877 winners in total. Enjoy the victories. That exam. Slowly but surely. Look at us go. Number 18 for the win. Great, good job. Let's check close, thank you. Here we go, guys. Enjoy. Wow, unexpected. That's usually how it is, you know? Unexpected.
Come on. Stop.
Ooh! Are we getting it?
Oh, my God. So that is 16 lightning storm with 7X. Yes. Okay, nice. Let's go, guys. Welcome, welcome. Lightning storm with 7X. Woo! Nice. Let's add a multiplier from the wheel. Look at those multis, guys. It's your decision time right now. Which lightning strike will you choose? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? I hope we get additionally some more multis as well. And here we go. Let's begin. All right, here we go. Lightning strike number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look at that! 875X on lightning strike number 1. Lightning strike number 2, show us what you got. Woo! We're on fire, guys. 280X on lightning strike number 2. Lightning strike number 3, show us what you got. Woo, woo. Nice. Lightning strike number 3, 175X. Lightning strike number 1, 875X is the highest multi. Let's go. Beautiful. Congratulations, 1,385 winners. And Master, that is top win for you. Well done. Betting time. Sad multi. You didn't like the 800X? 875? Was not good?
TOPSLOT's rolling in, yeah? So let's see. 5X versus first, so let's update everything. Look at that purple sky. Looking pretty. Hoping for some pretty results. Come on, make it pretty. Monster Mash. Yes, 50, 25, let's go. Grande finale with 25, it's 100X. Beautiful. We managed to get the 3-digit multiplier 100X. Beautiful. Nice number. Back to the wheel. Tough winners here for this, and here's the next one. So, of course, good luck. Beautiful. Okay. Got a little something here going on just now. Yeah, moving on. Next betting time. So, guys, if you're ready, place some bets. If not, some other time, but only first welcome. Always good to see you here joining in. On the battery charger. Number 6, yes. That's already considered as extreme TOPSLOT, guys. On everything, so it's 10 times better. Come on, make it good, baby. So, 400X the highest. Gotta skip the next. Yes, okay, 300. Okay, we'll take that. Yeah, guys, 300X all yours. What a beautiful result right now, huh? 1.9K total winners here. Chris, June.
Master players. Upstairs, Kimsey, upstairs.
one and only says slow spin. I guess this was a kind of a gentle spin, right? Highest wheel multiplier, I think it's, yeah, 25x on battery charge. On the other side of the wheel though. Not sure if we'll make it that far. We are literally... Water world. That bad? Oh, maybe? No way! No way! 25x battery charge! No way! No way! What? Magic style? Yo, we got the Andy's gym music playing, guys. Okay. Guys, we got I think a 2,500, right? Okay, it's, yeah, charging up. There we go, 2.5kx, guys, let's go. Woo! We got the Andy's gym music, guys, let's go. You know the drip. Okay, we're getting a 375x, guys. This is gonna be, you know, quite quick. There you go. That's how we'll end the bonus round. CB, we got Will and SB top 3. That really, I wasn't even...
35. Congratulations to the winners. I'll see you downstairs. And welcome back, you guys. Betting time is open. Please place your fresh new bets. Let's go. Ba-da-bum-bum. Battery charger, 2x on 15, Powerball. Hi, Burat. What's up? How you doing? Stay. Come on, 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 come on. It's 20x on battery charger, 17x, baby. Oh, you have a tiger. 20 is 1,000x maximum. Okay, let's go. Starting with 100, not it. Next one is even better. That is 300x. No, 60, a little scary, a little comparatively small. It's not small, but comparatively, it's a little small. Okay, 600x, baby. Very juicy, juicy-licious, 600x. Congratulations to the winners. Second biggest one is ours. Back to the wheel. Rising up. Okay, congrats to the winners. Tifua and Mr. M and Bilton, your top 3. Good job. Enjoy. Betting time is open. Here we go.
Tell me, baby, what's your story? It's been May? Let's wait for the results, guys. Wait for the results. Do we have any more multipliers here? Yeah, boy. We got 3 and 20x on the Monster Mash, 10, 4, and 7x on the hotspot. Yeah? That's good. Ooh, that hotspot with the 10x would be nice, damn it. Oh, nice. No, we got that hotspot with the 10x. Nice. Let's go and milk that puppy. Come on, Rocky. Yeah, baby. Rocky's here. Max multiplier now, 1,000x. Let's connect. Decision time. Feel free to decide something on the wall, Dave. You don't want to pick anything on the wall. It's going to pick for you automatically. You know the drill. Revealing the multipliers after we reveal all the multipliers. A square appears that looks around, stands somewhere, and doubles the field there, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's my song. Rising up, back on the streets. Time to take my chances. With the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to Rise